Hey everyone. So today, sorry about the lights. I want to see how this camera performs as well as we've got our blue, or I guess, yeah, blue snowball. Hello. Hello, hello. Anyway, we've got this all set up here because, we've gotten letters and we've gotten some monetary support. We've gotten a couple of games, Gears of War, and we've gotten a few other things in the mail. But this is the first big package that I have no earthly idea what it is. Now, here I am saying a lot of ums. But basically, we got this from a fan, Silas, who's also I count all my fans as friends, but is also a good friend. He's been in a few of our videos and things. And for some reason, I'm using a lot of filler words, and ah today. Anyway, let's go ahead and head forward and see if we can do a little less of the umming and awing. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. This is to the Hitchcock Handyman program, and we're going to use a handy dandy key to open this up because today I'm not working, so I don't have my belt full of tools on. But when opening a package like this, a key does beautifully. And, not sponsored, but Jeep Compass is a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up here. And it, of course, comes with some fun little packing. And more packing. And, aww, this is pre-popped packing. How sad. And more packing and packing and packing and packing. Okay. And, oh, I may have to now do a video on actually setting this up. An AMD motherboard, the Gaming Plus Ryzen. This is a HMD. Ha ha! Wow, am I stuttering fast. This is an AMD HDMI computer. Looks like this is the motherboard. Comes with, got your core booster, your DDR4 boost 1.6, steel armor 4 times slot strength. That'd be your PCI. So this is an AMD Socket AM4 motherboard. We'll set this off to the side. And also a processor with Radeon Vega graphics. So this would be the AM3 or AM4, sorry, socket for it. They come in such big boxes now. When I got them, they came in so small. And we also have DDR4. Looks like 2 or 8 gig by 2. I was going to say 2 8 gigs, but this is 8 gig by 2. So that is pretty much a full computer. So now, are we going to have to build it the proper way, where everyone gets naked to build it because you don't want the static shock? Or do we build it so that you guys can see us build it? Because I've got a full tower that I could hook this up to. This has, let's see, it's got the USB 2.0. It's actually got the mouse keyboard plug-in. Wow. It's got your DVI-D, which I don't think I have a monitor that will do that. But it does have HDMI, which I've got, of course. I've got TVs and things like that that will do that. It's got the USB 3.1. Hey, that's pretty slick. My tablet has a 3.1, but it's a tablet. And it looks like it's also got a Type-C, and then it's got 2 more USB 3.1s, a LAN, and then it's got your line in, line out, and microphone on for your I/O, your interface ports. So this is going to be kind of interesting. We're going to put this together and figure out. Wow. I love AMD. Sorry. So we're going to have to put this together. We'll probably do that on one of our videos then coming up. Is I'll get everything out. We'll take out an old and put in a new. I wonder what type of power this takes. And I may need to go get a power supply for it, because I don't know if I have one. So let's see here. And like was suggested in one of the videos, I may actually now have to go out and get a universal power supply so that I don't keep killing, especially since I'm going to have an actual system to be able to thread this out and do this all. So there's the CPU power. No, I do not have that type of power cord. So it looks like it's got a bunch of SATA connections. It's got, so I've got quite a few hard drives and things like that. So I'm going to have to go through my setup and see what all I have to be able to to be able to build this. Comes with its interfaces. Oh, there's its little ports and your SATA extensions. So it comes with a bunch of little things in here too. So this is going to be a blast to build. It's been it's been since college, I guess, since I've built one of these. And college has been, well, let's put it this way. I got out of college with my computer science degree back when Lindsay was not born yet. So that would make it, Lindsay is 9, so that makes it, I've been out of college for at least 10 years. Anyway, so like, subscribe. We're going to see if we can't build a computer that is going to allow a lot of these videos to start popping up and coming up and being a little bit more, and not be not take me 24 hours to do one video for a half-hour length and then do 2 to 3 videos. Yeah. Anyway, it takes me about 24 hours right now, so if I don't keep going over the weekend, I start getting behind. This should help help lessen that process, make that make that a lot quicker. So anyway, I do want to thank you very much, Silas, and I will go through and see what type of stuff I have to start putting this together to be able to start throwing videos out there and getting this stuff taken care of a lot quicker. Thank you very much, and hopefully this will move this channel then into the next era. Again, thank you guys for your support. Thank you everyone else whom I didn't open up stuff in front of, but I do appreciate your guys' support as well. we are looking right now at just shy of 600 subscribers. It doesn't look like we're going to hit our goal. We had a goal set up of 1,000 subscribers before February, and YouTube just did a large dump of what they called spam subscribers. So anyone who didn't have enough activity on a channel was dumped off of being subscribed to that channel. So we went from this month, these last 28 days, of almost 100 subscribers gained down to 15, I think was the last number I saw because of the dump that it did. But we're still in the progress, which means we're still making progress. And I do want to thank you guys very, very much for all of that. We do have some videos coming up with Lindsay singing some Christmas songs. Monica Projects has some more coming out. And we've got a few other things like that. Joe of the Masks is getting ready to read some of the history books. Hopefully we're going to get him some more fan fiction and more things like that he can play off of. And we've got some more board games. We just got a man versus woman type game, which basically it's the unspoken rules of men and women. For example, one of the examples they gave for women was you can't date your best friend's ex without their permission. And then one of the other examples they gave was for men was you can't pee in a urinal directly next to someone else unless there's nowhere else to go. Just kind of some silly little rules and things like that are out there, and different things like that. We've got dozens and dozens of board games. We've got a few expansions that we got. We've got some other, sorry about the squeaking dog and noises in the background there, but I figure we're close to the end. We'll just kind of keep it going here. And I did want to thank you guys for everything that you guys do as support. I love the comments. I love the interactions that you guys give with my channel. And I do have quite a few of the books coming up that you guys have made suggestions on. Like I've gotten the Jim Butcher's The Aeronaut's Wife. I've gotten a few others. I've got Battlefield Earth coming up. I've got quite a few of these other little books and things like that coming up for educational purposes for you guys. Like I said, Lindsay's got some songs that she's going to sing for you guys for Christmas. We've got the new series coming up that is Lindsay and Monica going over kind of what happens to your body during puberty and during things like that. We have a bunch of things like that coming up. So I did want to thank you guys very, very much for tuning in. And you all have a wonderful and blessed day and holiday.